Hello, are you facing challenges signing up for a fully set and verified Wise account? We are here to assist you. Well, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow our TikTok account. We do set up verified Wise accounts where you'll be able to receive payments, send, and also withdraw no matter the country that you are in. You'll also be able to request multiple international bank accounts. As you can see mine, I have a bank account in the UK, I have a Euro bank account, and even I can request more bank accounts. I can get a bank account in the US, Austria, Canada, China, Japan, South Africa, multiple bank accounts under one account. And the other advantage, you'll also be able to request a Wise card, an international Wise card. This Wise card can be accepted in Apple Pay, Google Pay, and other platforms where they are requesting for international bank cards rather than our Visa cards and MasterCards. Take advantage of that. As you can see my account, where I'm able to receive payments. As I received the payment of 20 pounds, I received the payment from GoFund, which is 4.60, which is of advantage. And the other thing that you can use this Wise account, you'll be able to withdraw money from from PayPal to your Wise account. You'll be able to withdraw money from your GoFund. And take note, we are facing challenges withdrawing money from GoFund. When you create an international bank and link it on your GoFund, you'll be able to withdraw. And other platforms like TikTok. In most countries, it pays through international bank accounts, and other platforms that request international banks. You can create depending on the currency that you want. You'll also be provided with bank details that you link where they are requested. As you can see in my pound section, when I click here, I'm able to view my bank details that I can share, the name, the account number, the sort code, the IBAN, the SWIFT, and the bank name and address of my bank account. Well, for those that are interested, just reach out to our WhatsApp number 0707 688 655. If you have any question, pass through the comment section. We offer other services besides account setup and verification. We offer withdrawal services, verification services of Wise, and more other services. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow our TikTok account for more videos like this.